The first step you need to do is you need to measure out how many beans in grams you have, and then you grind them up. So the next step you're going to do is you're going to prepare your water filter and your pour over V60. So you're going to put a water filter in the mechanism. Then what you're going to do is you're going to slowly pour your water in a circle into the coffee grounds, the filter, and the V60. And you're going to do this for about 30 grams. I use a scale. It's how I recommend you do it. Make sure you're in grams. So once that's done, you're going to give it about 10-15 seconds to settle and drain a bit, and then you're going to start pouring again. From here, you're just going to make sure that you don't over pour the filter. You're going to get to about 666 grams of water. And then you put all of your milk and honey, however much you want, into another separate jar while that's brewing. And then you pour that in your mug, and you pour your new coffee in the mug, and you have a beautiful cafe au